Hey guys, RBHD here, aka Zombie Killer 10, aka Pub Dude 101, aka The Immense One, with all one. So, hey, second vlog of the day. Hey, you one viewer lucky. Yeah, I'm still with these guys.
Get out! Ow!
So yeah, it's now.
Ellie, when you get
I don't
beat,
know.
you'll experience when it hurts. What? Did you find out when
20 past.
No, I'm not
25 past, sorry. 8. Samsung Galaxy Y. Woo! You can see yourself.
It'll hurt. What? When I went like that to Chloe's food, it'll hurt. But when I go like that to you, it doesn't hurt because you haven't got anything.
I have no idea what just happened now.
So this hurt? No!
They're trying to smack her boob.
And you see me, her bra.
I'm slightly
Is it, Pete?
creeped out, yet strangely I have an urge to watch.
What colour?
Ha, bird! Ha, bird! Ha, fly off, little bird.
Get off! Say it. No.
They take a bet on what colour her bra is.
I try to put everyone on the way. On the way. I can't put the way. Get Ellie on the road, Chloe. Chloe, help me.
Well, this has turned out to be a rather strange... No! Out. You have a look at my sexy top.
Help me.
So yeah, we've just been to,
Help me get it.
we've got some,
Here, give my spit take.
look at it,
Sponsor.
sponsor,
Give my spit take.
and
Help me get her on the
chock full of popcorn.
Give my spit take.
Sponsor? Yeah, she wants us to show you something. It's a girl who can spit. Oh!
Move.
What do you mean it's coming this way?
Right. Swirl the camera around so you can...
I can't.
Why?
Oh my god! That wasn't amazing at all.
Look, Ellie, you can't do this. Ellie, please do that now. Ellie, you can't do this.
I'm probably gonna fart.
Go on, let me try it.
Don't make me fart on you.
Do it. Go on. A trip. Black day. Black day. Don't. You not like it.
She spat on me.
My shoes. My phone. You not.
Airwalk. Sponsor! Wow, this is like the third sponsor I've done in the video.
Can you help me up, Chloe?
Oh.
Chloe, can you help me
Not
up?
mentioning the Sainsbury's bag.
Can you
Excuse
just
me
come
while I
out,
say
Ellie?
go
Chloe, can you help me up, please?
beat her up. Just
That was 50p. No.
she's chasing me with water.
I'm going to the toilet. Ellie, come on. Ellie. Ellie, come on. Ellie, you down. Ellie, you down. Ellie, if you go, now switch again.
Oh, family arguments. Nothing better than I mean, I'm round my friends and one of the girls, the tallest girl, the shortest girl. Yeah, that's who we're around. I'm not gonna give away this anymore. Their address. You'll work out where the street is from here. Wow, you know your streets. Well, this is like second vlog of the day. It's starting to get dark. It's starting to get chilly. I'm going back to the helicopter view.
Oh, do I have to take it off now?
She doesn't want to be in any more. Ellie, don't. No. Ellie. I also had to eat, so I'm going to go.
You get Ellie.
I'm going to swap then. Yeah, I'll just swap.
Don't bother, Ellie.
If you can work out where we are from here, I'm just doing this. You must know your streets. She's still going to say goodbye.
I'm not going to say goodbye.
You're going to say goodbye.
No.
Just say goodbye.